Did you know that letting a stain dry and settle into the fabric of your clothes will make it harder to remove? Even 24 hours can make a huge difference in how easily a stain is removed. And making a preemptive step on removing a sand stain will make our housework more efficient. Anyways, hi, I'm Justin BACANI from the Bachelor State University, and today we will be talking about the topic, how to do your housework more efficiently. But before that, we should first wear our safety gears.
Today, we will be talking about stains that sometimes get on our clothes and how to remove them easily. I mean, it is no secret to everyone that stain on clothes can be a pain to shift, but luckily, chemistry is on hand to help us out. There are a range of different molecules that are present in stain removers and detergents to help shift grease and dirt, and they can work in different ways, and knowing how they work and where they exactly work for will be of huge help to us. In fact, did you know that stains themselves can be roughly grouped into several classes, which are enzymatic, oxidizable, greasy, and particulate? To demonstrate how each stain can be removed, we will be showcasing how they work, starting with enzymatic stains, which include stains such as blood and chocolates. One of the best rules in dissolving stains includes knowing that like dissolves like, which means that using a solvent that is similar in chemical composition to the stain can dissolve it much faster. And with blood, chocolates, and gas stains, an enzymatic enzyme-based cleaner like this one that I'm showcasing will work well, as these stains are largely the result of proteins. This is because enzyme-based agent like protease helps to break down proteins by breaking the larger molecules into smaller, soluble chunks, which makes it easier to get rid of. The second type of stain is particulate stains, which is caused by substances that are created by a multitude of different minerals and chemical components like dirt, sand, and mud. Since they are a mixture of various elements, their molecules have different mass and dimensions. Thus, the smallest particle can drift into other surfaces and create strong bonds, anchoring the stain firmly into your clothes. To get rid of such stains, we typically use the chemical agent or compounds that are referred to as builders. These builders are chemicals with the power to destroy calcium, magnesium, and other elements responsible for the pH factor of water. Once the bonds between the molecules are gone, the soil and mud can be removed easily from the surface or fabric. Builders have three unique qualities, which are softening, buffering, and emulsifying. Softening is connected with the reduction of water hardness. Buffering represents the power to maintain a certain level of alkalinity needed to remove the stain. And finally, thanks to the emulsifying quality, the stains are prevented from embedding again in the fabric once the bonds are destroyed. The third type is one of the most common stains that we get when we are eating. It's the greasy or surfactant stains. These type of stains are extremely hard to remove since water doesn't affect them. The reasoning behind it is hidden in the grease molecules. They are non-polar, meaning they don't have any charge, either negative or positive. Water molecules, on the other hand, are polar and get attracted by other polar substances. This simple difference is the key to the resilience of grease stains. To get rid of these stains, we can use what is called surfactants, which are chemicals used in cleaning detergents as primary or secondary ingredients. They have a unique molecular structure that allows them to attack and destabilize grease stains, making them easy to remove. Surfactants or surface active agents have a molecule that slightly resembles a tadpole. These surfactants remove oil and grease by forming structures called micelles around them. The oil-soluble parts of the molecule dissolves in the oil or grease, forming a spherical structure around the oil droplet. The water-soluble parts of the surfactant molecules are then sticking outwards, meaning that the micelles are able to dissolve in water, allowing the greasy stain to be washed away. And last but not the least, the stains from tea, coffee, red wine, and pasta sauce, which are called oxidizable stains. These oxidizable stains are the stains that are usually brightly colored. They are one of the most resilient and hard to remove spots that have a quite interesting way of occurring. Since oxidizable stains are the result of the oxidation process, during which the molecules or atom of the staining substances lose electron. One way to remove these stains is by using bleach, as it breaks down the bonds in the stain, creating smaller molecules that can't absorb light. By using stain removers containing bleaching agents such as hydrogen peroxide, it helps to break down the color-causing sections of chemical structures and removes the appearance of stain.
And that's it! I hope the next time you get some stains on your clothes, you will be able to remember all of the things that I have taught you so that you may be able to save your time and your hands while you do your laundry. Remember, you don't have to be a scientist to take advantage of the many wondrous things that chemistry has to offer. And you also don't have to be a scientist to learn something new. Sometimes you just have to look around and try to understand the things around you. Stay safe, stay curious, and say goodbye to stains. Thank you and have a good day.